Hey, if your YouTube mobile app is crashing when you try to open it, let me show you a few ways how to fix it. The first option, you can actually go into the settings now, and when you are in the settings, you have to click on the search tool, and from here type YouTube and open YouTube app info. Now from here you have to go into the app battery usage and be sure that you set from the restricted or optimized to the unrestricted. Now, if you still have this issue, you can try to perform the soft reset of this application. So select force stop, then click OK. And now when I try to open it one more time, as you can see, the application will be restarted. If it doesn't help you, just go into the Play Store and then find the YouTube by using the search tool, open it, and now click to uninstall and basically remove all the latest updates. And now try to click open. Now just wait for the loading screen. There we go. As you can see right now, it is working. And you can tell me if it works in your case. Maybe the latest version is the issue in your case. But if it still doesn't work, there's a chance that you actually didn't update your YouTube. So you can click on the update button, wait for this updating process, and now after this, just open it. So tell me if it works, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye!